Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to log in into your Gmail account. First, open Gmail on your phone. If you're using Gmail for the first time, you'll see a sign in option on your screen. Simply go ahead and tap on that. But if you're already signed in and you want to add another account, go ahead and tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of your screen. Then you'll see an option to add another account. Go ahead and tap on it. Then tap on Google. Verify that it is you. Then type in new email you want to log in. Then after filling in your email and password, you are now logged in. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much and I'll see you guys next time.